In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a WordPress blog 2025, a blog tutorial for beginners. We'll start inside the WordPress site editor on the home template. This is where you control the overall layout of your home page. Once you're in the editor, click the highlighted area to focus the section we're customizing. You'll see the main canvas update to show selection outlines and block controls. Next, open the search panel to quickly find the block we need. In the search field, type the term that's highlighted on your screen. This lets WordPress filter down to the exact block used in this guide. When it appears, click the highlighted result to insert it, and then follow the next highlighted prompt to place it in the intended spot. If you misplace a block, remember you can undo and try again. With the block selected, choose Wide Width. This extends the block toward the edges for a modern, spacious layout that still respects theme margins. After applying wide width, click the next highlighted control to focus the text element, then set Align Text Center. Centering helps your header and intro content feel balanced and readable. From here, follow the highlights to adjust styling. You'll see prompts guiding you through controls such as typography, color, and spacing. Click each highlighted option in sequence. If you're changing text appearance, small tweaks to size, weight, and letter spacing can dramatically improve legibility. For colors, aim for strong contrast with your background. If the panel shows padding or margin, use the highlighted values to create consistent breathing room around your content. Don't worry if a setting looks off. WordPress makes it easy to revert with undo, and you can always reselect the block to fine-tune. Continue clicking each highlighted option as shown to confirm the layout and visual style. These steps ensure your header, text, and surrounding blocks feel cohesive. If your theme supports it, the highlighted controls may also apply style presets, so your choices remain consistent across pages. When the highlighted navigation appears, click it to return to the broader site view, or the area indicated by the guide. This is a quick way to sanity check the home page after your edits. Now, click Save. If you see a confirmation, approve it so all template changes are stored. Finally, click Launch. Launching publishes your updates so visitors can see your blog. If your site was previously private, this moves your changes live using your current theme and settings. That's it. You opened the home template, searched and inserted the guided block, set it to wide width, centered your text, refined styles using the highlighted controls, saved and launched. You can always